now I'm gonna unbox my new iPad that I got for school. This iPad I use that I'm going to be using for school, and home too, obviously. And I'm just really excited to open it. So I'm gonna open this with some scissors to show you how it is. And I look like I'm sweating because I am really sweating because it is really hot right now where I live. And yeah, sorry I look really sweaty, but I am. I'm just gonna take a shower after this, so it's okay. I'm just gonna open it. So I have one wrap to cover it, and then there's a huge box. This is Apple, this is how it looks like. Sides, iPad, and now just need to open this. Okay, I don't want this to fall. Okay. It's like really hard to open it, but I'm getting there. So alright. And by the way, I got it in space grey. So this is how it looks like. And this is stick to iPads like that. And it's 32 gigs by the way. So, yep. Oh my gosh, I already opened it. Let me just put this stuff back already. Oh my gosh. Here's the manual stuff back, and then my iPad back too. So it is in space grey, and that's how the iPad looks like. And this is the box. So this is the charger cable and the manual on how to use it and all the stuff for the iPad. And then this is a huge plug tracker for the charger. It probably has the stickers in here. It always does. Yeah, the stickers are right here. Stickers! I always use the stickers for random stuff. But anyways, let's not just get too sidetracked. I don't know if I should do this. I think I should open it later. No, I'm gonna open this later with my family so they can probably see it. But that's basically it, guys. This is an iPad space grey 6th gen 32 gigs. So this is what iPad is. Yeah. And this is a receipt. Let me just get the receipt. It's a huge receipt and stuff. Yeah, charge it, and yeah, that's pretty much all. Bye guys.